tinned ingredients today, guys. I don't usually buy tinned ingredients, really. I usually make my own stuff, like curries and chilies and all that stuff. But today we're going to do some tinned stuff. I got some good old stag. I've had that before, years and years ago. We got some beef bolognese. We got some chicken jalfrezi. And we got some baked beans. We're going to have jacket spuds, guys. With tinned ingredients. As I say, I've never really done that before. But if you did do it, I suppose, homemade's always going to be better, isn't it? If you did do it, it'd only be cheap, wouldn't it? You know, I got my spuds, 24p a spud up Aldi, and your tins. So let me crack on and show you, and we'll just taste them all and see what happens at the end, eh? Well, there's all my spuds, guys. As I say, we're going to have this for tea anyway, with the lads and everything. That's why I've got that many spuds. But say 24p a spud. This I all got from Tesco, apart from the beans. I was from Aldi, I was 41p. The stag was £2.15p. I know some people like this, but I say I haven't had it for absolutely years. And the beef bolognese and the chicken jalfrezi, that was £1.85. Hot and spicy one, that is the jalfrezi, but it ain't going to be really hot in the tin, is it? But according to the reviews on this one, this chicken jalfrezi, everybody loved it on the Tesco's reviews, should I say. So that's why I thought I'd get it. So that's what we're going to do, basically. What I'm going to do, because I've got so many spuds, I'm going to do it in the oven anyway. But first thing I want to do is poke some holes in them all. I've washed them already, guys. And we're going to get them in the microwave. I'll have to do it in batches while the oven's warming up. We'll get some holes in all the way around on all of them. And we'll get them in the microwave till they start going soft. As I say, I'm doing this today because I don't think some people understand quite the channel. You got to understand. Yes, you're going to make your own and you're going to do your own, but some people buy this stuff. You know what I mean? Just because you don't, I don't usually, but people do. You know what I mean? So you got to do a bit of everything, a bit of variety. If you get what I mean, guys. Because some people love the stuff. You know, you could do loads of tin stuff, couldn't you? On a jacket spud, some tuna, some bit of everything, couldn't you? You know. And it's all nice and cheap, ain't it? Let's get them all in the microwave, guys, and get them all softened up. Right, guys, I think I've just cocked up on the video. There's my first batch anyway, and I'm just doing my second. I think I had it on slow mode when I was doing my spuds. What I've done, I just got myself a bit of oil, just in case I have got it on slow mode. A bit of oil, some paprika and a bit of salt, and I just put my potatoes in, put a cross in each one on the top, like you can see there probably, and just give them a shake and just coated the skin with paprika. That's all I've done, guys. They took 15 minutes each in the microwave. So now we're going to get them in the oven on a nice hot tray. There they are, they're looking delicious actually. Looking very nice. I got it on 200 degrees and I'm going to put them in the middle shelf until they're nice and crispy and all that stuff. Okay, guys, the potatoes I think got about half an hour to go. We'll have a look in a minute. Well, before we do that, we'll open the stag. I'll put the ingredients on the screen for you. Classic beef and beans, chili con carne. It was £2.25, did I say £2.15? Or £2.25 it was. Source of protein. Let's open them up. Let's have a look. There it is. I mean, you can't see a lot of them in it, can you? But chili stag. Smells nice. I used to have it years ago and I loved it. I'll get that into a saucepan and we'll open the chicken tikka next. Not chicken tikka, chicken jalfrezi. Chicken jalfrezi then, guys. I say I'll put the ingredients on the screen. I say it's 3 chilies, but it ain't going to be 3 chilies, is it? I mean, it might be. But I wouldn't presume this to be 3. There it is. It looks quite nice, actually, that. For a tinned one. I'll get that into a saucepan as well. There's loads of chicken in that, to be honest with you. I should be showing you that bit, shouldn't I? Some chicken in there, look, so you can see it. Yeah. Get a spoon out for that one. A few bits of chicken, look. For a meal with a bit of rice. There's the stag. The beef bolognese. Rich and meaty, made with beef and red wine for a full meaty flavour. There's that one. So it's all in the taste, guys, isn't it? That one looks a bit like dog food. But it's all in the taste. Get it in. And obviously, just your beans, whatever beans you want. I did pick up at first, by the way, good old Branston's. But when I got to the Aldi, at Tesco, it's part of a multi-pack, so it wouldn't go through. I only picked up the one tin, so I couldn't be bothered to go back, so I just popped across to Aldi when I got my potatoes and just grabbed one from there. A tin of beans. We're having cheese with them, by the way, guys. Not just having beans on its own. You've got to have cheese, ain't you? And we'll probably put some cheese on, like the chilli and that as well, you know. Well, that's all them. Let's have a look at my spuds. How are we getting on? Oh, yes. Oh, steamed up. There they are. Looking nice. I'll turn them round actually now. Oh, yes. Yeah. Right, I'll bring you back when it's all done, guys. I'll warm up with them. I don't need to see all that there. And you'll see the dishing up and with a taste test. And there's me jacket spuds with a lovely crispy skin. Oh, yes. Started to open up nicely. Look, if you can see. Everything's cooking, guys. Everything's done. Apart from my beans. So, I'm going to dish up. Nice bit of stag in that one. It'll only be me having that stag one, I think. It'll only be like red kidney beans and that. The chicken jalfrezi, which I think Nat and the lad's going to have this one, I think. That looks nice, actually. That's got chicken jalfrezi for a tin. Don't look half bad at all. We got the dog food one. It does look like dog food, this does, guys. The old beef bolognese. But hey, I mean, you go to a spud man, or it looks a bit like, obviously it's a bit more meatier, but it does look a bit sloppy, don't they? And then I got my beans. I put them in these, because I bought these. Well, there's got a bit of water in there. I washed them. I bought these from Tesco when I was up there, £3 each. I have got some, but they're smaller. These are big ones. I thought I'll get them for when I do some curries and that. Or serving bowls like this. £3 each up Tesco. Beans. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put it up the table. I'll do the lads, and then me and Nat can pick what we want then. That's the best way to do it, I think. Well, there we go anyway. Jacket spuds and tinned ingredients.
Oh my God, it's everywhere. Stop rubbing it all in. Oh my days, what have you done?
I've dropped everything. God.
Oh my God.
It's all over the flowers. It's over my hat. It's all on the floor.
The chairs, the walls, gone everywhere.
Oh no, guys, what are we going to do? We've saved some. Oh, God. Oh, look at your poor flowers. My hat.
My wall, my chair.
You got it's all on the chairs and the walls.
Oh my God,
What am I like? Anyway, let me clean it up. Well, let us clean it up. Oh no. Oh.
Laugh at you, I'm going to wring your neck. It's up my walls, on my bloody floors, it's everywhere. Oh.
It's absolutely everywhere. It's literally everywhere.
It's all on my wall.
It's all by the clock up on the top of the wall and everything. It's gone everywhere, guys. Food's going cold now.
It's even catapulted to the back door.
Oh, all on the wall, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if the camera pick it up. But it's absolutely everywhere.
Oh my God. Hold on.
Let's get some butter on these before we do anything else. And that's, oh, you had nothing of yours.
I had nothing,
Everything's
no.
going cold now.
Everything's cold.
I gave the laddies, he had some curry. There's your one, Bab, the curry. You having curry, ain't you?
Yeah, please.
Everything was going so well. I've got 3 spuds here. Need more butter than that, don't we? Need a bit of butter. Oh. That'll melt in a minute. Let's bring you down a bit, guys, so you can see. You don't want to look at the mess everywhere, do you? God.
What's this one?
That one is,
Cut.
what do you call it? Bolognese.
Bolognese.
Yeah,
That's the one.
bit like dog food. But
Yeah, it does look a bit like dog food. I'll just have a few spoons because I don't know if I like it or not. I've never tried it before.
Everything's gone wrong now. Let me get some butter on all these, guys, before I do anything else.
I'll wait for you.
It's all nice and soft, all the potatoes, look. I've done 3 because I want to try 3 different ones, you see. You crack on, Bab.
As I say, can I cut?
Yeah, you crack on because I don't mind eating mine.
Cold.
Yeah, I don't mind eating mine.
I like,
Colder.
I'm not keen on cold food.
Let's bring you up so you can have a little taste.
That curry one's nice.
Is that curry one
I like
nice?
that curry. That's nice.
It
Actually.
did seem look quite nice.
Got a bit of a kick to it.
Is it spicy? It does
A
say
little
it's spicy, but
Not overly spicy. That's good for a tin curry. That is. I'd eat that again.
is that good? Is it? On the reviews, it says
left
it's
you a little
really
bit.
nice. I've got enough, Bab, here, look.
I left you a little bit to try.
I've got absolutely loads here, guys. A bit of salt.
Okay then. I've
You
got
have it,
last bit
darling.
off. I really like that jalfrezi. I'd eat that with some rice
We just
and a
roll
naan
that.
bread.
Is that
Yeah,
nice, is it?
It's well nice.
Fair play.
I like that. I'm going to get rid of this before Keith drops it everywhere again.
I'm going to get some beans on one, guys, before it gets cold so it can melt the cheese a little bit. Hey? So much for a thumbnail and everything, Bab, eh?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I love that curry one.
Oh, fair play. What's the matter with me
I
today?
ain't take my food away from you.
What's the matter with me, Bab?
It's because it's the last bit.
Just cheap grated cheese, that is, guys. Oh, man. Do you want some more cheese?
Yeah, pass me the cheese, please. Don't matter if it's dirty, the table's dirty, the
Well,
walls are dirty,
everything's a
so
mess now, innit, yeah?
it doesn't matter what goes where
Let's get some
anymore.
stag in the middle.
Right, I'm going to try this bolognese one now.
Go on then.
I don't like the look of it.
It's all in the taste, though, Bab.
Yeah, I know.
Some bolognese on there. It's very sloppy, innit, that bolognese one?
I don't not like it, but I preferred have not to have had it, if you get what I mean. Get what I mean?
Yeah, it's not going to be good as homemade, we know that.
It's got a funny, weird taste to it.
Funny taste. Sorry about the mess, guys. Let me show you. God. Oh, I ain't even going to get full nail out of all that. I mean, it looks like slop. Anyway, there we go.
I'll eat this one first, 'cause I'm not keen on
Cheesy beans. I was going to do me beans in my pan to melt all them, but I never, in the end. My stag and me beef bolognese, which looks like dog food.
It's got a weird taste, that bolognese has.
Right, let's have a go. I'm going straight into the stag. Could do more butter, but it's going cold now.
It was even,
I'm not even going to put no cheese on it, I'm just going to eat it.
it was even all at the back door. Yeah, I don't like that bolognese, it's not very nice. Just whack some
That
cheese on
stag's
it.
all right. There's nothing special. But for a cheap meal, on a jacket spud, you can't go wrong there. If you live on your own or something, you know what I mean? I mean, that, what would that, them tins do? 2 people, I think, wouldn't they? If they're feeding of 4 here, you might as well make your own. But if you live on your own, jacket spud for 25p. A tin of that, £2.50, whatever it was, £2.25. £2.50. You got yourself a jacket spud, ain't you? Yeah, that's very sloppy, that is, isn't it?
Are you trying the thingy one?
That doesn't taste like bolognese to me at all.
It's got a weird taste to it. Really weird. I can't explain it.
That's not a nice one, that.
That's why I had to get off my potato quick.
That's not a very good one, that.
No, it's not very nice, is
it?
No. It's got a weird taste. I can't explain it. I can't explain the taste. It's not. It's weird.
Yeah, that's not a good one. That bolognese one isn't very nice at all. And cheesy beans, which isn't even melting anymore. And that's what I say, guys. It's real life. It happens, doesn't it? It happens to the best of us. It happens to me all the time.
Not that bad.
I did buy some sour cream, but I put it back because they have no chives. I wanted to do some sour cream and chives on top of me stag, but I didn't have any chives, so I just put it back.
Yeah, but I don't like that bolognese one. That curry one, I'd definitely have that again.
Definitely have the curry one again.
And I'd even have it with a rice and naan bread.
Yeah. It was a simple meal, like.
Yeah.
Well, there we go, guys. But let me know what if you'd have these on a. It's just a mess. Everywhere's a mess now.
Let me know if you've plastered your walls, your back door, your table.
We said we was going to decorate, so not in here though. Yeah, for a cheap meal, if you lived on your own or something, you know what I mean?
I don't know.
I wouldn't have that
I wouldn't
bolognese.
have that again.
I wouldn't have the bolognese. You can have tuna or anything, can't you?
But
I'd have that stag. They do a hot stag as well, don't they? You said you'd have the curry.
Yeah, even if we had a jacket potato or something and I didn't know what to have, I'd go and get a tin of that curry.
Yeah, if you didn't want to cook anything, all right?
Yeah, if you...
But by the time you cook it, you might as well make something. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, homemade is better.
But homemade is better, but if you wanted something convenient...
Life doesn't always allow you to do homemade.
No.
And like I said, I'd even have that with rice. It's that nice, it's lovely. It tastes like a proper curry.
The skin's nice. On here as well, with a paprika skin. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go and eat it now because half of it's gone cold. I'm not eating that minced beef one, that bolognese one, that's not very nice.
It's weird.
I'll eat my stag and I'll eat my beans. The lad said there's one potato left, the lad said, is there any more, so we can have some more stag. I'll just warm it back up for him. So until then, guys, give us a like, give us a subscribe. The mess everywhere. Till the next time, we'll see you later. And let me know whether you'd buy tins if you lived on your own or something, or convenience. You know what I mean? Bye-bye, guys.